That, my friends, is the unmistakable sound of no spark. It's kind of a bummer. After working so well last summer, I brought it home and I tore the seats out, put new seats in, got an actual controls for the motor. Still, you know, trying to keep it under $300 total for everything. And now I can't get it to start. You kind of know it's a spark plug issue when you don't get any cough and there's no smoke at all that comes out. I did pull out the 2 spark plugs and you turn it over and you can look at my other video. I'm getting no spark there. The wire that goes from this Powerpack over here to the coils here. There's no power in there at all. There's ground, and I know it's not the ground kill switch because I tested that, and that's grounded when the key's off, and it's not grounded when the key's on, so that's okay. Totally disconnected, it didn't make any difference. But I'm not getting any power at all through here, and I don't know if that means that this is bad or that the problem is back beyond that. So you know, this wire here goes in and around and then up into the, what is it called, stator. And those wires are sort of chewed up. The first thing I'm going to do, I think, is just take a look at these wires in here and see if anything's obviously bad. Clean up the grounds. These are the grounds here. And see if something simple like that is the problem. I don't want to start replacing parts. This is at least $100 here, and that's like more than a quarter of the whole boat. So let's see if I can figure it out instead of just replacing stuff. I'm just going to take this off so I can get underneath here. And you know, if anyone knows what this thing is, maybe you could let me know. I really don't have any idea what that would be. A bunch of wires go to it. It's a thing. You know, all the wires look fine in there. I'm gonna just clean out these grounds, I guess. See if that does anything. Maybe just wiggling stuff around. We'll give it a try. Oh, okay. I don't know how much I trust it, but it seemed to start, and I don't want to run it very long. Obviously, it's not in the water, but we have spark, so that's good. I think I'll take it up, put it in the lake, and see what happens. Well, I don't know how helpful that video is going to be, other than the fact that this is the second motor I've fixed just by tightening down these bolts and make sure they get a good ground. I did other things too, so I don't know that it was making sure these were tight, but it sure wouldn't hurt to just do what I did and see what happens.